Today I'll teach you how you guys can turn off your birthday notification on Snapchat. So I will teach you for both your birthday and your friend's birthday. So if you don't want to get notification of your friend's birthday as well, then you can follow the step. First thing, you want to click on your Snapchat Bitmoji at the top left, also known as your Snapchat's profile picture. And once you're inside the profile section of your Snapchat, at the top right you can see the setting icon, also known as the gear icon. Click on it. Once you're inside over here, the third option where it says birthday, click on it. Once you do that, the option where it says birthday party, if you turn it off, then your friends will not know when your birthday is. And if they don't know when your birthday is, they will not be able to get the birthday notification, or they will not be able to wish you a happy birthday. That's one way to turn off your birthday notification on Snapchat. By doing this, no one will be able to send you a birthday message because they will never know when your birthday is. And for the second option, let's say you don't want to get notified of your friend's birthday as well. In that case, what you want to do is, inside of your settings, you want to scroll a bit down and click on versus notifications. Once you're inside notifications, you can see this notification option called friend's birthday. You just want to turn this notification off. Once you turn this notification off, Snapchat will not notify you when your friend's birthday is, alright? So let's say one of my friend's birthday is tomorrow. So tomorrow, if I had this notification on, Snapchat was going to notify me that my friend's birthday is today, but since it's off, tomorrow I'm going to get no notification. I just have to come inside Snapchat and go inside my friend's name to see if they have birthday or not. So that's a disadvantage of this feature, alright? You won't know when your friend's birthday is. But that's basically how you guys can turn off birthday notification on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I will see you guys next time.